The massive Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp outage left billions of users frustrated, but it also left millions of businesses at a temporary loss because they rely heavily on Facebook and Instagram ads as their only source of lead generation, or they rely on Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp as their only real-time line of communication with new potential and existing clients via their website. This is another testament as to why businesses should not be putting all their digital marketing eggs in one basket. Businesses need to be doing what is called true digital marketing, which is the philosophy of doing everything digital. So when one digital channel goes down, you have other digital channels still producing leads. However, digital marketing is complicated and it's only getting harder, more complex, more competitive, and more expensive. Google modifies its formula 500 to 600 times per year, and social media platforms are ever evolving and struggling with privacy issues, making them as well harder and harder to work with. This is why traditionally only 3% of the market can afford to implement true digital marketing, because it requires digital marketing experts, writers, programmers, and designers that stay abreast of the constant digital marketing evolution, and this requires money, lots of it. So how does the other 97% of the market compete? There is only one answer, and it's via technology. A technology unlike no other that can greatly simplify the digital marketing process, that can adapt when Google and social media platforms evolve, and one that provides the exact steps in order of what you need to do and when you need to do it, with supporting video tutorials that show you how, and from one single interface that provides you everything you need under one roof. Hi everyone, my name is Robert Blankenship and I'm the founder and CEO of WebFindYou. I foresaw where the digital marketing industry was headed well over 12 years ago, and I set off to create a revolutionary and one-of-a-kind technology that would change the digital marketing industry forever and would allow small businesses to compete with big businesses by implementing true digital marketing. This coming November 2021, I will be hosting our first ever 100% free True Digital Marketing Masterclass, where I will show you why the digital marketing industry is tainted, why 92% of the market fails at digital marketing, and what the vicious cycles of digital marketing and SEO are. I will provide you the exact roadmap to get out of these vicious cycles and how to properly implement true digital marketing, or everything digital, in the most cost-effective and simplest way possible. And by implementing true digital marketing, you will become the hero of your business because you will be maximizing leads, sales, and conversions by unleashing the true power of the internet for your business. And if you want to get into this lucrative business of offering true digital marketing for other companies and make good money doing so, then I will also show you how and provide you everything you need to be successful from the comfort of your own home. So click on the link within this post text and register now. Spaces are limited. The English class will be on November 4th and the Spanish class on November 11th. Tell your friends, tell your boss, tell your coworkers, because trust me, you won't want to miss this.